feeling overwhelmed, stuck in a panic spiral, or battling insomnia. There's a free, zero-equipment tool you already have to crush stress instantly: your breath. Today, you'll learn the 4-7-8 breathing method, a science-backed technique that lowers cortisol, calms your nervous system, and even helps you fall asleep faster. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is 4-7-8 breathing? Developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, this method is based on ancient yogic practices. The numbers 4-7-8 stand for the timing of each breath phase. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. This ratio isn't random, it's designed to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, the body's rest and digest mode. Why does this work? When you're stressed, your breathing becomes shallow, signaling your brain to release cortisol. Lengthening your exhale tricks your body into thinking the danger has passed. A study in Frontiers in Human Neuroscience found that controlled breathing reduces cortisol by 25% in just 5 minutes. It also boosts nitric oxide, improving blood flow and focus. Here's how to do it step by step. Sit or lie down comfortably. Place the tip of your tongue behind your upper front teeth. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Then, exhale forcefully through your mouth for 8 seconds, making the same whoosh sound. Repeat this cycle 4 times. Timing matters. Use this method during high-stress moments, before a big meeting, after an argument, or when you're tossing and turning in bed. For chronic stress, practice twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed. Consistency trains your body to handle stress better over time. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't force the breath, keep it gentle. If holding for 7 seconds feels too long, shorten the hold to 5 seconds and work your way up. Never practice more than 4 cycles in a row until you're comfortable. Overdoing it can cause dizziness. The benefits go beyond stress relief. Regular 4-7-8 breathing improves sleep quality by activating the vagus nerve, which regulates your sleep-wake cycle. It also reduces blood pressure and helps manage cravings by cutting emotional eating triggers. One user shared that after 2 weeks of nightly practice, her midnight snack habit vanished. Pair this technique with the stress-fighting foods from our last video, like dark leafy greens and fatty fish, for a one-two punch against cortisol. Together, they reset your body's stress response without pills or extreme routines. In a world full of quick fixes, your breath is the ultimate reset button. Start with just 1 cycle today. It takes 60 seconds, but the payoff, mental clarity, deeper sleep, and steady energy, lasts a lifetime. Thanks for listening. If you're ready to take control of stress naturally, subscribe and hit the bell. Next up, how to spot hidden cortisol triggers in your home, surprising culprits you'd never expect.